I'm Pachaburi. Today, I'm presenting about how to create website by Dreamweaver CS3. It is part 1 for how to create new website using Dreamweaver. This project for teach only EIS program by subtitle in Student Media School. Before you create your web page, begin by creating a folder that will you contain your entire website. First, double-click My Computer and choose drive that you want. Go to File menu and from the drop-down menu, select New Folder, or you can click Right or select New Folder. For this presentation, click on Untitled Folder and let's name our folder, sometimes called a directory, Web. It is important as a rule of process to always name folder, web page, and image with lowercase text and no space in their naming. Other text that is not usable in naming page, image, and folders are symbol or space. Open your Web folder and create a new folder and name that new folder image. The purpose of creating subfolder, sometimes we call subdirectories, are to hold specific file on our website. Once we create and import image for our web page, we will save those image files, animation picture, and background here. The purpose of these subfolders is to ensure better organization of your file. Before you begin, turn on your Dreamweaver CS program by double-click icon program on your desktop. Now we can create our site within Dreamweaver. Go to and click the menu tab labeled Site. From that drop-down menu, select New Site. The first thing you need to do is name your site. It helps you to give it a name that is both meaningful to you and describes the site. Dreamweaver recommends my site, but this is often very vague. If it is a personal site, I would use your name as the site name Web. Don't worry about the instruction to create an FTP server connection. We will hope that is coming step. Then right now click Next. Dreamweaver is integrated quite easy with server technology such as PHP, Goldfish, and ASP. But for the sake of this tutorial, choose No. I do not want to use a server technology. You can always go in and change that later. If you decide you do want to run a site with some server technology. Okay, now click Next. One nice thing about Dreamweaver is that it is possible to edit the first directory on the web server, which cuts down on the time it can take to edit files, but it is less secure, as you can make any mistake when you edit file right on the server. So, should edit local copy on my machine. Dreamweaver success on a location to store the site file. I usually don't change that, but if you already have a directory on your computer, you store your web file, you should choose that location instead, and then click Next. Dreamweaver provides many different ways to access your website, including Web, DAV, FTP, and others. Most hosting providers allow FTP, it means File Transfer Protocol access. So, choose that and move on the next step, where you will learn what credentials you need to access your site via FTP. This case select None and click Next. You are almost done, but first, make sure that you did not make any typos or other mistakes in your site definition. When you are ready, you click Done. Once you are done creating your new website, Dreamweaver will show your new site in the main site window. To start edit page in your site, on menu Create New, click HTML and click Done. As the image show you will in a blank Dreamweaver page. That means it is ready to create new site. Okay, the end of part 1. Thank you for listening. You can contact me and download this presentation on www.vonline.in.th/vlearning.